At the end of the engineering notebook, I have given the practice game mats and scoring sheets. So how you will use this and how it will be helpful for you during your preparation. So if you see here, I have given the subtask. So you have to write the name of the task which you are going to do for that day. So if you are meeting for one particular day to prepare for the WRO competition, then you have to first decide what is the thing you are going to work on. So you have to write that name. For example, if you are working on a lifting mechanism, so what kind of lifting mechanism you are going to use for your robot for that one particular challenge, then you have to write the subtask as lifting mechanism. And under that I have given the purpose, so you can write in detail what was the purpose for that particular day. So maybe if it is for lifting mechanism, then you can describe what exactly the challenge is, the sub challenges you are working on. And then at last, at the end of the session, you can write the outcome. So if you are able to achieve that goal or not, or whatever the outcome is, you can write in that way. So you can utilize this practice game mats sheets, which will be very useful for you. And at the end, I have also given the score sheet, which you can use once your robot is ready. You can run the robot and see how much points or scores your robot is getting, and you can write it in the score sheet at the end of the engineering notebook. So that's how you can use this practice game mats and scoring sheets. Thank you.